Okay, today we're going to show you how you can get paid to click on ads and get the money paid directly into your PayPal account. We're going to show you exactly where you can go and do this for free. We're going to show you the very simple steps you need to follow to earn this money every single day. We're also going to show you how you can get paid by PayPal. And stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to show you how you can increase your earnings tenfold just with a simple trick. So you're ready to get paid by clicking on some ads? Let's go and show you exactly how. Okay, so we've come across to the site, and the site we are looking at today is called Heedyou.com. So you want to come over to the website and you've got two choices. One is advertise and two is earn. Obviously we want to click on the earn button. Now, as you can see here, they started the website back in June 2020. Been going a fair time now, so that's pretty good. And they've paid out over $97,000 in commissions since then. So all we've got to do to join is obviously click on either the join button here or up in the top navigation bar just here and follow the instructions. So you'll be given this page now, and all you have to do is create a username, obviously use your email, repeat the email, and then create a password, repeat the password, fill in your name and last name, your gender and your country and your date of birth. So all simple stuff. Obviously you've got to agree to the terms here. Click on the I am not a robot and then click continue and follow the steps to launch your account. Once you're in, you'll actually receive an email from them, so you just have to activate your account by clicking on the link in the email as well. Once you've done that, you can head over to your account and start earning money. Okay, so as you can see here, I've opened up a free account and I've clicked on a few ads just to show you, and I'll be showing you soon how you can go and earn money very, very quickly and easily in this program. So again, this is my profile. It gives me my balances here and my earnings. So what do you need to do to go and earn money? You've got this link on the main menu called Earn. So you click that and then you've got View Ads, Tasks or Surveys. So if you just click on View Ads, and as you can see here, there's a couple I've already visited. But again, all you've got to do is click on the ad here. It literally takes a few seconds. You've only got to wait 5 seconds, guys. Look, timer in the right hand corner here goes, bang, done. And then all you do is click on the picture that is upside down. Your account has been credited. It's as simple as that, guys. It really is that simple. And obviously click back onto your account once you've done. And as you can see, if we go back over into my account, I have actually earned another commission. So that's very, very quickly how you can do that. Another way is obviously by taking tasks. Now the task will pay you a little bit more money, but they'll take a little bit longer to actually do. So as you can see here, you've got surveys here where you can actually earn 621 coins, and 10 coins equals 1 cent. So basically that's about 62 cents. So it's not going to take long for you to start earning enough to actually pay out directly to your PayPal account. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. This is not something that you're obviously going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it is going to get you a few extra dollars every month. And stay tuned right to the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you that you can earn 10 times the amount in your account with just a simple trick. Also, if you are looking to earn a full-time income online, stay tuned right to the very end. I've got a video that I'm going to be showing right at the very end that I'll give to you, which will show you how I earn passive income every single month online. So there are obviously more ads here as well that you can click on that will get you more money as well. So these take just a few seconds to do, guys. They are really, really quick. So what I would say is, if you're going to join this site, make sure you go in and just spend a few minutes every single day. It's important that you just click on these. It takes you 2 seconds really to, as you can see, 5 seconds per ad. And obviously these are sort of 20 seconds an ad. So it's just a few minutes every day. And you can do this while you're even just watching the telly in the evening or whatever. If you don't take the action, you're not going to earn the money. It's as simple as that. Now, I know it's only a few bucks a month or something like that, but this can all add up. And I'm going to show you, like I said, very shortly, how you can go and earn even more money that's just a simple trick you can do. But once you've earned this money, how are you going to get paid? So if we head back to our account, and let's quickly whiz through some of the stats here. This obviously will give you your stats and your earnings you've made. Now, I've obviously only just joined yesterday, and just done a few clicks. You've also got an upgrade button here. So if you've got at least 5 active followers, you can upgrade your account. This basically means you just get an increased commission. So that's one way you can increase it. But it's not the way I'm actually going to be talking about how you can increase it by 10 times. So you've also got a weekly lottery here, and then at the bottom here you've got payments. So this is where you go and get paid. So as you see, there you can choose PayPal, Payeer, or Skrill payments, and the payment history is here. And there is a minimum payout of just $1 for PayPal and Payeer, and there's $5 for Skrill. So payments are usually processed within 24 to 48 hours, and the PayPal withdrawals are subject to 2% withdrawal fee. Payeer is a 10% withdrawal fee, and Skrill is a 60 cents fixed fee. So I would definitely make sure that PayPal is probably the route to go, because you're only going to be losing 2% of your money. And if you can't obviously have PayPal in the country you are living in, then obviously look at the others, the Payeer or Skrill. Let's go and show you how you can increase your earnings by 10-fold. So let's just go back over to our account and click on followers. Now, as you can see here, it basically says here your follower stats. So I've got no followers at the moment. So my earnings from my followers are 0, and followers purchases are 0 as well. But this is where it comes in, guys. The followers commissions 25% from the ad views. Okay, so if they were just to come in and click on ads, you would get 25% from the money they make. So for argument's sake, if you were to have to invite up to 100 people, now 100 people does seem a lot, but it's not a lot. It's if you were to do that over the course of a year or something, it's only 2 a week. And remember, guys, this is completely free, so it's easy for people to do, and they're going to be earning money as well. So all you've got to do with that is you've got your invite link here. So all you've got to do then is obviously go and give this to friends, family, followers on social media, Twitter, Facebook, that sort of thing, and go and show them how you can earn money. So that is why you need to be going and actually clicking on the ads as well, because then you'll get commissions as well, and you will also earn from their clicks as well. So there we go, guys. That's a way you can obviously increase your earnings tenfold. So which means that you could quite easily earn, probably, certainly with the surveys, you could be earning at least 10, 20 bucks a month from this program. And of course, if you're then inviting others as well, this could then go into a few $100 a month if you really work hard and get a few people on board. Okay, but if you're looking to something a bit easier that maybe pays a little bit more, then maybe check out the video that's coming right at the end of this video. And also, I'm giving away a free 7-day email bootcamp where you can go and you can just sign up. I take you through every single step of how you can start and grow your business and earn a passive income online. And this you can build to a full-time income. If you found that interesting, that video, obviously make sure you smash up the like button for us. Also remember, if you have not subscribed already, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Remember to check out this video next, and we will see you on the next video.